Are you upset your donut's all gone? Posy? Are you kind of mad that donut's gone? What do you think? Are you kind of mad the donut's all gone? It's in your belly. Oh my gosh. Darn it. Well, do you want to go on a walk this morning? You want to get out and come see Mommy? All right. Okay. Let's clean up.